If CapCut is showing error code 10008, don't worry. In most cases, this is an export failure caused by a GPU conflict, low storage, or a broken clip inside your timeline. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to fix it step by step, so you can export your project without the frustration. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. First, let's tackle the most common cause. Open CapCut, then go to the menu, click Settings, and open the Performance section. Here you want to uncheck the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding. This feature can sometimes create a conflict with your GPU, especially if your system drivers are outdated or CapCut is struggling with your graphics setup. After turning it off, click Save, then completely restart CapCut. Once it opens again, try exporting your video one more time. For many users, this alone fixes error code 10008 right away. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is storage and file path. Go back into Settings, then Performance, and look for Delete Cache. Clear the cache to remove temporary files that may be interfering with export. After that, make sure your hard drive has at least 10 GB of free space available. CapCut needs room to render and process your file properly, and if your drive is nearly full, exports can fail. Another good tip is to change your export folder to your desktop. Sometimes exporting to a simpler path helps avoid permission issues or folder conflicts that can trigger this error. Now let's lower the export settings, because high settings can push your system too hard. Open the export window and set your resolution to 1080p. Then change the frame rate to 30 frames per second. For bitrate, choose the recommended setting instead of forcing a higher value. This reduces the load on your system and can help CapCut complete the export without crashing. If your original project was set to a very high resolution or frame rate, this step can make a big difference. If CapCut still throws error 1008, then the problem may be a broken clip in your project. This is where a simple divide and conquer method helps. First, duplicate your project so you have a backup. You never want to test fixes on your only copy. Then go to the start of the project and press I to mark the beginning. Move the playhead to the middle of the timeline and press O to mark the end of the first half. This will let you export just the first section. Try exporting that half only. If the first half exports successfully, then the broken file is probably in the second half. If the first half fails, then the bad clip is somewhere in that section. Keep splitting the problem half into two smaller sections and testing again. Repeat this process until you find the exact corrupted clip. Once you identify it, replace that clip with a fresh file and export again. This method is one of the fastest ways to track down a hidden project problem. So to recap, fix CapCut error code 10008 by turning off hardware encoding, clearing cache, freeing up storage, lowering export settings, and isolating any broken clip in the timeline. These steps solve the majority of export failures and can save you a lot of time. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more CapCut troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.